Mastering phrasal verbs with come, a peer review approach. Hello language learners, welcome back to our Intermediate English series. Today we will be continuing our exploration of phrasal verbs with come, but with a twist. This time, we're going to focus on peer review activities to consolidate our knowledge. Remember, peer review is an excellent way to learn from each other and enhance our understanding. Let's begin with a quick recap. Phrasal verbs are verbs paired with prepositions or adverbs. They might look familiar but often carry unique meanings. Today, we are focusing on phrasal verbs using the word come. Some examples include come across, come up with, come down with, and come back. Each of these has a different meaning, and understanding their use in context is crucial. Now, onto the main topic, peer review. Peer review, in this context, means evaluating each other's understanding and usage of phrasal verbs. By doing this, we not only learn from our mistakes but also gain a better understanding of how to use these verbs in different contexts. We've planned a series of exciting activities. Firstly, you'll be asked to write sentences using the different come phrasal verbs. Be creative. Think of as many diverse examples as you can. Then, you'll exchange your work with a partner. Review each other's work, paying attention to the correct usage and context of the phrasal verbs. Next, we're going to role play. You and your partner will create a conversation incorporating as many come phrasal verbs as you can. Switch roles, listen to each other, and try to spot any mistakes or suggest better usage. Lastly, we'll have a group discussion. Everyone will share their feedback from the previous activities. This is a great opportunity to learn from each other's mistakes and achievements. Thanks for joining us today on this peer review journey with come phrasal verbs. We hope these activities will strengthen your grasp of these commonly used expressions. Remember, learning is always better together. So, keep practicing, keep sharing, and keep learning. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll dive into another exciting aspect of English learning. Happy studying!